All right, so let's see if we got any kind of whatchamacallit. Do you see any gas anywhere? This is the actual line that we shortened. Gabriel.
Yeah.
Here we go. I have this. So what we did, we actually got that line repaired. Right there, put a shorter pipe coming through the floor. As you can see, there's no bubbles. We put soap and water on it, and there's nothing on it. So we're gonna be covering this thing back up. We made a little cut right here. And the thing to access that, we're gonna tape everything back up. We're gonna try and put a little bit more soapy water. We're gonna leave it for about 10 minutes to make sure that's all good. Once he turned on the gas, and then here we go now. The stove's gonna be able to back up all the way back up against it. You see here? And then here's the star of the show, right there. Show him your knife. Dang. He carries it when he works. We need knives around here. Okay, so there it is. Any questions, comments, leave them below. Thank you for asking, for watching. Have a good day.